Welcome to Oracle Primavera P6 training course. What you will learn today in this video session, I'm going to show you on my laptop screen Oracle Primavera P6 tutorial. In this video session, you will learn how to create project file in Primavera P6, how to make WBS in Primavera P6, how to make activity in Primavera P6, calendar setting in Primavera P6, activity relationship in Primavera P6, activity duration, customization in Oracle Primavera P6. So this video session is going to very productive for you guys, no matter from which engineering you are you civil engineer, mechanical engineer, electrical, mechatronic, or any academic background or professional background you have. This video session is going to be very productive for you. So do not skip this video session. Get in touch and hopefully you learn a lot. So now I'm going to open Oracle Primavera P6. It takes some time, depend on your internet or specs of your PC or laptop. So it may take time. I suggest you use Oracle product from Oracle Delivery Cloud. You can use 1-year license software, student version. Also, if you are professional, you can buy this software product with the legal method, because if we have a paid version, there is a lots of options available in Primavera P6 in paid version. So do not miss this opportunity to buy a product from Oracle Delivery Cloud. So here the first interface of Primavera P6 19.2R. So I'm going to add here passwords. Okay, enter. Login name is admin and password is also admin. Again, I'm going to tell you that P6 opening take time because it's all depend on your laptop or PC specs. Oracle Primavera P6 have very amazing user friendly interface. You can see here. Okay, Oracle Primavera P6 is very user friendly interface. Okay, so after installation of Oracle Primavera P6, this is the first user interface after adding password. So first of all, I'm going to tell you that when you install Primavera P6, many times P6 give you the option of select industry. So why this error or option occur? Because when we open Primavera P6, go to admin preferences, and then you can see here industry. From industry, I select here engineering and construction. As you know that I have the project of engineering and construction, in which engineering, mechanical engineering project, and also as well as I have construction project of different related to civil engineering and plant construction as well. So I select here engineering and construction. Here is rate type. You can add here rates options. Okay, in general. Okay, okay, and you know that our industry selection option is done. You can see here, you can the project enterprise structure here. These all the project available in Primavera P6 is inbuilt. You can delete all these enterprises. Okay, you are about to delete 61 EPS element. This action cannot be undone. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. Okay, EPS is enterprise project structure. as you know that in my company there is project related to civil structure, process equipment, plant construction, civil related projects, building related projects, many more. So I will design the EPS, enterprise project structure, according to my requirement, and you also create enterprise project structure according to your company. No matter your company which type of project going to perform, so you can design APS according to your design. So it's too much, it take time, but in very short time I will also tell you about how to create EPS in Primavera P6 enterprise project structure. So very easy. So in Word file also I am going to add here EPS in Oracle Primavera P6. Also I will tell you about how to make OBS in Primavera P6. Organizational breakdown structure in Oracle Primavera P6. So as I already inform you or tell you about at the start of this video session on Oracle Primavera P6 is going to be very productive for you guys. So do not skip the video. See this video till end. Hopefully you learn a lot. Okay. You can see here enterprise project structure. So click on add. Okay. So first of all, I am going to add here PED, because process equipment division. Because my company have project related to process equipment like different oil and gas project like skids and separators, scrubber and different process equipment, all as well as boilers, and also pressure equipment like pressure vessels, LPG bowsers and many more. So in this okay, now you can see here the second EPS is PEB. You can see here pre-engineering building. Okay. Because in my company there is also pre-engineering building projects, PEB. Okay. Also I am going to add here EPC, engineering procurement construction. Construction. Okay. Now here you can see here responsible manager. After that, after this EPS creation, I am going to create OBS organizational breakdown structure of my company. So just close this window and you can press F5 on your laptop to refresh. Okay. I'm also going to tell you about that the below detail window I'm going to hide detail window. This is also called activity detail window. From here you can switch by clicking here. Okay. Now what I'm going to perform is that OBS. What is OBS? Organizational breakdown structure. First of all, I have okay. Also, I am going to delete all these OBS from here and going to add new OBS according to my company. What is the organizational structure, or you can also okay. I'm going to delete all these OBS. Cannot delete this now. There must always be at least one row. Okay. Just delete this one. Yes, I am sure. I'm also going to delete this one. I will add new OBS for my company, for my departments. Okay. Okay. Delete one by one all these. Company CEO, then directors, of my company. You know that directors as well as under CEO, and also now I'm going to add okay DGM, after that I am going to add here GM operation, here, and then I am going to add here GM operation. After that I am going to add here manager projects. You can also add here finance manager. You can also add here different manager, depend on your what is the organizational breakdown structure of your corporate. We can also say that organizational breakdown structure and organogram. Organogram is also same like that OBS. So okay, because my company have many more positions, but for your information I have add here a little bit for your understanding. You can add here according to your desire or according to your requirement. So I am going to, you can also add here the responsibilities like GM operation responsibilities, CEO responsibilities, director responsibilities. You can see here already these items added here. You can delete from here. Okay, because these all roles assigned to CEO, that's why this is not going to be deleted, but you can add here the responsibilities of each role. Okay, general, and here you can write the description of project manager, what is the responsibility and obvious description. Okay, again I am going to press F5 on my laptop keyboard to refresh data. Now I am going to create project file. So first I'm going to give you a little bit introduction of user interface. Here is file, in file new, open, page setup, print setup, print preview, print, import, export, refresh data, press F5, exit, edit. You can see here cut, copy, add, delete, view, different layouts, bars, columns, enterprises. You can see here calendar. In this video session I will also teach you about the calendar setting. Okay, so now I am going to tell you about the first, these two completed. So I am going to this green. Okay, now I am going to tell you about how to create project file in Primavera P6. So this is the first outline of Oracle Primavera P6 tutorial, how to create project file. Okay, enterprise, click on project, I'm going to just refresh as there is lots of softwares application. Okay, click on new, just wait, click on file, then click on new, select EPS. So I am going to process equipment PED, process equipment division, my project name. I am going to create here project related to LPG Bowser fabrication. So here my project ID is okay, and here I am going to add $150 metric ton Bowser fabrication. Now here I am going to add the LPG Bowser 150 metric ton MT. So here project plan start and must be finished by. If I select here must be finished by, then my project have a constraint of date, so it will make all my activities critical. If I select here must be finished by, so must be finished by is a time constraint of my project. So here is project plan start. I'm not going to add here must finish by. Next, you can customize from here date. Okay, I am also going to tell you about that of my channel SMB Institute. There is lots of video session related to engineering available on my YouTube channel. Just go to playlist and you can find lectures related to civil, mechanical, electrical, online learning, YouTubing, many more. So do not miss this opportunity. Just go to my channel playlist after this video session and learn other skills as well. Also give the video session feedback in the comment section. Next, who is responsible? If I have not add here responsible manager in my OBS organizational breakdown structure, so responsible manager here I select from the OBS which I have created at the initial of this video session. Okay, rates, standard rate. Next, finish. So project is successfully created. I am again going to press F5 to refresh data. Now just right click and open project. Okay, and now two windows open. This is project window and this is activity window, and also I am going to open a new window of WBS. Okay, now I have three different windows open: activity window, WBS window and project window. This is table view, this is Gantt chart view, activity network. My requirement is Gantt chart. So I feel feasible and comfortable to work in this window. So I am going to hide detail window. Now WBS creation. Okay, I am going to highlight this. Okay. Now the second outline of Oracle Primavera P6 tutorial is how to make WBS in Primavera P6. What is WBS? Work breakdown structure of our project. So we can break down our project in different packages and then into deliverables. Each deliverable give us first work package and then deliverables. I will explain about the difference of all about this, but first of all just understand work breakdown structure. After we get a project or we have awarded with a project, we have a scope of work, and then we will break our project into different WBS. So WBS is work breakdown structure. Okay, in WBS window I am going to add here WBS. Okay, and click here on plus button. Okay, project award, then design and engineering, also I am going to add a new WBS of design and engineering. Okay, QA QC, procurement, procurement, and then I am going to add here, okay, just move this right, fabrication, and now I am going to add here dispatch. Project definition is at the end of project we have a unique identical product. So when we get a unique identical product, we dispatch to the end user. Again, I am going to press F5 to refresh my data. Okay, you can see here in activity window WBS. Okay, now I am just going to tell you about the calendar concept before adding here the activities, or before creation of activity, project activities, because calendar setting is very important in Oracle Primavera P6. So now I am going to tell you about calendar setting in Oracle Primavera P6 before starting activity creation or activity addition in Primavera P6. So just click on Enterprise and you can see here calendars. So I am going to add here 7 by no. I am going to add here corporate standard full-time calendar, and now I am going to modify this calendar. You can see here the gray color which is showing that. Now you can see here the green color shows that non-work, and this light gray color show that the work day. So I am going to off all my Sundays off, but Saturday I am going to work day. Click here on work week, Sunday 00 on Monday. I am going to add here the standard work hours of daily 10 hours per day, 10 hours on Tuesday, 10 hours on Wednesday, 10 hours on Thursday, 10 hours on Friday. Note, only 4 hours on Friday and 10 hours standard, because in Juma here half day. I'm also going to make this standard. Okay. Now you can see here my all Sundays off. Okay. Now I am going to set time period per day 10 hours. Then before this I am going to make Friday as well 10 hours. Okay, now I am going to set time period 10 hour per day multiply by 6, 16. And now you can open here calculator for your ease. Okay, 60 multiply by 4, because 4 weeks per month, so 240 hours per month working. Again multiply by 12, as you know that 12 months in a year, 2880. Okay, now just click. Now I am going to further of the holidays in upcoming months, so you can add holidays like in according to your countries, the major events or public holidays according to your country, because I am currently sitting in where, and you currently sitting in India, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Kuwait. I am currently sitting in Pakistan. So here some public holidays, and in India there is some other holidays, religious holidays as well. So you can add of holidays, but some international holidays is very necessary to off, because if we on these days it may affect our project, because if we not off this but in actual there is no working day, so it will disturb the project duration or timeline as well. So I am going to click on OK. Now I am going to add here procurement calendar 7/24. As you know that after placement of order, procurement work 24 hours. So I am going to add here just modify procurement calendar. Okay, so I will assign procurement calendar to those activities related to procurement. So now I am going to close this window session and going to press F5 as usual to refresh data. You can see here calendar setting in Oracle Primavera P6, outline also done. Now I will tell you about how to assign calendar in Primavera P6. Okay, in setting you can see here okay. Dear students, please give feedback at the end of this video session. I request you, if you are new on SME Institute, do not forget to subscribe SME Institute. In default, you can see here the corporate full standard time calendar is already assigned to this project LPG Bowser 150 metric ton already assigned. But after adding activities in Primavera P6, I will completely guide you about how to add procurement calendar for specific activities related to procurement. Also, I am going to tell you, if you have any business query related to mechanical construction project and fabrication job, as well as related to pre-engineering building structures, you can contact me on the accounts attached with my YouTube channel. Also, you can put a comment in comment section to take information. Now just click on activity, and I am going to add here the activity in Primavera P6. Do not show this wizard. Okay, again I am going to okay. After the confirmation, your company received project, you receive PO, and then kickoff meeting. Sometime kickoff meeting, not sometime, in many cases kickoff meeting done, and after that we receive PO. So it depends with corporate to corporate values, so not compulsory like that. So you can add the sequence of your project according to your company or in the environment here where you working. Kickoff meeting, kickoff meeting. I am going to just, you can add here work order issuance. Work order issuance, you know that after PO received, kickoff meeting, we officially distribute a work order related to our project when to different departments like store, like design department, like procurement department, and other departments, finance as well, to just intimate that we have received a project and we are going to start working on it. So this is the official method. We can also proceed an email, design and engineering. Okay. Initial design, then I am going to add here initial design, final design, approved design, you know that approval from client, approved design, and then I am going to add here detailing, now I am going to add here IFC. We can also add in TDC issuance in design and engineering, but here QIP preparation, submission to design, submission to client, sorry, and then approval, send to client for approval, okay. We can also add here TDC issuance, technical delivery condition. As you know that procurement proceed the procurement after receiving of technical delivery condition TDC from design department. We can also add here issuance of TDC. Issuance of TDC. So these all depend on your corporate and what is the initial like project award, design and engineering and QAQC. What is the general practice in your corporate, in your department? So it may be vary. Okay. Plates order placement. Plates order placement. As you know that in LPG browser the main usage of plates, because for shell rolling, for descent preparation, or for no matter hemispherical, elliptical or any other, so plates have major role. And then I am going to add here the okay, nozzles material, nozzles and manway. Also I am going to add here some channel material, some angle and railing material. Pipes, channel, a little bit angle. Okay. You can see here the columns: original duration, remaining duration, schedule percent complete, start, finish, total float. Now I am going to tell you, just see a little bit magic how we can customize by clicking right columns. Okay. Okay, click here, click on find calendar. Okay, apply. Just see a magic. There is same calendar assigned to procurement related activity. As you know that procurement work day and night after placement. Day 24 hours consider for procurement. So now what I am going to do is just click on activity detail window here, and from here I am going to assign From here I'm going to procurement calendar, and now just press shift and right click and click on fill down or control E, and you can see here procurement calendar is assigned to procurement related activity, but still corporate standard is assigned to WBS. I'm going to refresh data. Now you can see here the procurement calendar is also updated the WBS of procurement. You can see here in General tab activity type. Okay, now all these options available. Activity type, there is 4 types of activities: 5 to 6 finish milestone, level effort, resource dependent, start milestone, task dependent, WBS, many more. And here duration type, percent complete type, calendar, many more. So P6 is a huge C, but after completion of this video session you are able to work in Primavera P6 as a beginner. This headline also complete. Okay, activity, this option also. You can also watch tutorials of Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint on my YouTube channel. You can find the link in description. Now I am going to tell you about the activity relationship and Oracle Primavera P6. What is the relationship? Relationship show the dependency of activities on one another, like cutting of plates do not start before marking of plates. We are unable to start cutting until the marking done. We are unable to roll shell until the material cut, pre-bending done. We are unable to weld LS joint until we shall roll. So basically every activity have dependency. Like we depend on our parents, we depend on our family depend on us, our wife depend on us, our children depend on us. So this is just a little bit example. So activity relationship basically show the dependency of one activity on another. So 4 types of relationship: finish to start, start to start, start to finish, finish to finish. 4 type of relationship, but usually we use finish to start, start to start on our EPC project. Also we can use start to finish. Finish to finish is very rare, mostly used in coding and website development. So mostly we use finish to start to start or finish to finish, not. So I will give you here the example by performing this on my laptop screen practically. Finish to start and start to start is the most using relationship in Primavera P6 or in Microsoft project as well. So PO received, as I already tell you about that, it is not compulsory we perform or do kickoff meeting after PO received. Sometime kickoff meeting done, but we receive PO after that. So it depends in different scenarios. So I am going to click here, customize activity detail. From here I am going to this apply relationship. Okay, now I am going to tell you about the predecessor and successor. What is the difference between predecessor mean pre-performing activity, successor after predecessor? Like marking is the predecessor of cutting of material, cutting of plate. So cutting of plate is successor of marking activity. So just PO receive is predecessor, like the activity performed first and then successor the activity second done. So here is the practical example. PO received activity have not a predecessor, so but PO received have successor of kickoff meeting. Okay, kickoff meeting. Okay, initial design and then final design. Work order issuance also have a successor activity of initial design. Okay, retailing and then issuance of IFC. Now I am going to close. Click here on time scale and select here project start. Quarter month. Okay, you can see here. From here you can also again we can year financial period apply. You can see here a difference, very small bars. Again click here and select quarter, month. Apply. Okay. Viewers, hopefully after watching this video session you are able to make your project schedule. Again click on bars, and now I am going to show here different bars. You can, from here you can add or remove bars according to your desire. Also you can, from here you can change line type and also color, many more. Okay, as I have okay, because I have just unchecked the actual work, remaining work, because now I have on initial, so all the remaining work, because no activity is started yet. Now I am going to show here show legend. From here you can show legend, show relationship. If I uncheck, relationship will be gone, and if I check, relationship will be shown. Now you can see here legends. Okay, again I am going to press F5 on my laptop screen to refresh data. Now I am going to add project original duration, like, please, thank you so much viewers. PO receive 1 day, kick-off meeting also 1 day, work order issuance 2 day. Now I am just going to schedule my project, and you can see here all the activities, because there is no flexibility. That's why okay, you can see here, because this activity issuance of TDC is open-ended, because due to limitation of time I am going to explain all these outlines shortly. So just you can add here or the original duration according to your planning, according to your requirement, and what is your project timeline have. So very most important asking question in planning engineer interview question is, what is the 2 things required to make project schedule? So very necessary, very simple answer. To create project schedule, we require project start and date, and we require project scope of work. Again I am going to repeat myself. Very and most important and repeatedly asked question in interview, in planning engineer interview, is that what is the 2 things required to make project schedule? Project start date, end date, and also project scope of work, because before without scope of work we are unable to make project schedule. Okay, now almost all the outlines done. After this I will just explain with you some basic things. Customization, you know that I will explain columns with you as well. Okay, I am going to share with you a very important information at the end of this video session. You know that video session is complete. If you want to learn Oracle Primavera P6 in Urdu Hindi language, tutorials already available in my channel. You can visit, or also you can see the link in description. There's a lots of planning engineer job each and every year worldwide. So if you are willing to start your career in project planning, learn skills related to project management, project planning, and tools used in project planning like Primavera P6, Project, Excel, many more. Also, I'm going to tell you there's a lots of video session available on SM Institute related to civil engineering, mechanical, electrical, mechatronics, DA as well. You can see the link in description. Very good opportunity for you to learn and groom in your career. If you like this video session, do not forget to like the button. Also subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to get notification of each and every video session. Also, if you want to learn online earning, job hunting skill about LinkedIn, you can visit or see the link in video description as well. So I hope you learn a lot from this video session. If you have any query related to this video session, any question, you can put a question in comment section and I will reply you back within our time, because my priority is my audience, my priority is my students. I love you all. Thanks for watching SMB Institute.